What's up, YouTube? This is Bullseye in 8231, and today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter on a 2019 Toyota Highlander. This will be the same for 2019 all the way down to 2014. So 2014 all the way to 2019. This will be exactly the same. Be very similar on all other Toyota models. This cabin air filter number is straight from Toyota. So if you need the part number, you can take a screenshot of that. So first thing you want to do is open up the passenger side door and locate the glove box. It does have a lock that will correspond with your actual key for your ignition. So if it's locked for some reason, that's what you would want to use to unlock it. The first thing what you're going to do is you're going to kind of push on the back here, and there's two tabs. There's a tab here, you can see it, it's kind of up. There's a tab there, and there's a tab just like it on this side. And what we're going to do is push in the middle and pull down, and as you can see, these tabs released, so they're just kind of chilling right now. The only other thing that's holding it would be this. Older Toyota models, they changed this. They used to have a screw there, now they just have a pop tab. So we're just gonna literally pop it out like that, and this is gonna come out completely. As you can see now, it's sitting on the ground, so we're gonna have to dump all the stuff out. The way it goes back in is just it rests right there on those little catches. If you look up here, there is a flap. So we're just gonna pull the flap down, and this is the cabin air filter box. So what we're gonna do is pull the tab on this side. So you push that tab in and you put this tab in. You do one at a time, or you could do them both at the same time if you're not trying to film. And that comes out like that. And now we have our cabin air filter exposed. So if you notice, there are arrows telling you which way the cabin air filter goes back in. So make sure you do the same with the corresponding on the new one. So it's gonna actually go in pointing up. So let's go ahead and pull this one out. Like so. As you can see, it's full of dirt and grime. Sometimes they have leaves and those kinds of things. You can see how clean this one is. So we're gonna put this one back in. Like so, make sure it fits in there good. Then we're gonna get our cover and put the cover back in, back up, snapped. All right, now we're gonna take our glove box and we're going to do it basically the opposite of how we did it. So first thing we're going to do is line up the hinges so that they catch. I may actually need two hands for this. All right, so I needed two hands for that. So once you get the two hinges, you just reconnect that by pushing it on. And then you got to reset these tabs. If you just heard it click, you see the tabs are reset, and this is ready to go back. Well, that is how you change the air filter on a Toyota Highlander. That's going to be years 2014 through 2019, and very similar on the other Toyota models. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos on the 2019 Toyota Highlander.